tips on choosing the right and best home designs. It will take a lot of time for you to choose the proper best home designs that are suitable for your needs and lifestyle. You have to recognize a couple of things that you have to consider when choosing a home design. It is crucial for you to pick home design which fits your taste. You also have to consider about your landscape needs and lifestyle. Family needs and lifestyles are two most important things when building a home. But you have to rely on the plans for your family in the future. For example, new couples will have a different home plan from a retired couple in terms of characteristics. Before you choose the design that you want to in order to build a home, it is well recommended for you to think about your lifestyle and needs.